Do you know that the strength of your body and your shoulders, muscles, are the strongest when you are in deep sleep? We often think that if we eat a lot of meat or a lot of eggs or expensive things, we will become strong immediately. But the real truth is something else. The real problem is not how much good food you are eating, but the problem is how well your stomach is digesting that food. If the system of your stomach is not right and it is not able to digest the food, then all that strength and appetite becomes completely useless. You must have also noticed that we eat very well all day, take care of ourselves, but still, when we wake up in the morning, we feel a strange pain in our legs. We feel stiffness in our joints, and it feels like there is no strength left in the body. There is a very big and important reason for this. Our body needs a very peaceful environment to get well from inside and to make its broken things strong again. And do you know where this peaceful environment is made? It is made inside our stomach at night. If there is a swelling or fire going on inside your stomach, then your body is not able to use that good food that you have eaten with so much enthusiasm. But you don't have to worry about it at all. There are many common and cheap vegetables in our vegetable markets around us, which are easily available everywhere. These vegetables look very common. There is no label of strength on them, but if these vegetables are cooked properly and eaten at the right time, then it repairs your body in the same way as a smart mechanic repairs a broken car. In today's video, I will tell you in detail about 3 such simple vegetables, which if you include in your night's meal, then every part of your body will feel peaceful. If you are new to this channel and you like my simple and useful information, then I request you to like this video immediately and subscribe to our channel so that I can continue to bring you such simple and powerful information in the future. Let's move on to our first vegetable, and that is our common white cauliflower. This vegetable is made in all our homes and we consider it very common. But when it comes to completely eliminating the slight swelling that is going on inside the stomach, then there is no comparison to it. I will explain to you with a very simple example. Imagine that if a structure is broken and its foundation is bad, then no matter how much bricks you put there, a strong wall can never be built. In the same way, as long as there is swelling in our body, no matter how much protein we eat, our bones cannot be strong. Cauliflower repairs this broken structure so that your body can hold strength with food. There is a very special thing in this cauliflower, which is called vitamin B6. This vitamin turns your food into the strength and energy that your bones need to work properly. If there is a lack of it in the body, then a person is always tired and his legs feel heavy. Another very interesting thing that is hidden in this cauliflower, we call it choline. Consider this choline as a kind of telephone wire. This telephone wire comes out of your brain and directly reaches your legs and body. This wire sends a message to your legs that when they have to move, when to stop, and when to relax. If this wire does not work properly, then there can be struggle in your walk. Cauliflower keeps this wire absolutely fine and strong. While cooking it, make sure to cook it in steam or roast it slightly. Do not make it completely soft. When you are cooking it, then add olive oil and a little turmeric or cumin to it. Turmeric and cauliflower together completely remove the pain in the body. You can eat it with light protein, like a little lentil or chicken. Now let's talk about our second best vegetable, and that is tori. People often consider poor tori to be the food of the sick, and it does not get as much importance as it deserves, but it is really a natural gift. It is a very soft and easily digestible vegetable. As we move forward in our life, our digestive system becomes a little lazy, and it becomes difficult to digest hard food. But when we eat tori at night, it gives a lot of peace to our stomach because it has a lot of water in it, and its fibers are very soft. Instead of disturbing the stomach, it cools it down. 2 very special natural salts and minerals are found in tori: potassium and magnesium. These 2 things help your lungs to dry and spread properly. You must have often seen that many people have severe cramps in their legs at night. Or the nerves on the nerves rise, which opens the eyes, and it hurts a lot. This pain is actually due to the lack of these salts. If you eat tori before going to bed at night, then your body will get these 2 important things, and you will not feel any cramps or pain in your legs. In addition to this, there are also such herbs in tori that clean the debris that comes from running all day. Always cook it lightly. Do not cook it too much and make it mushy or soft so that its real strength is not wasted. Use a little salt and olive oil while cooking. You can eat it with eggs or a little yacht so that the body can get enough protein and the body can easily absorb it at night. And our third vegetable is cauliflower, which we also call broccoli. This vegetable looks like a small tree, but for our body, it works like a fire extinguisher. Running all day, walking around, or doing difficult work creates a small fire or swelling in our body, which constantly weakens our limbs and joints. We cannot see this fire, but it keeps harming us. There is a very special natural cleaner in cauliflower, which is called sulforaphane. I call it a cleaner because it goes straight to the small parts of our body where there is a fire and completely extinguishes this fire. When the fire is extinguished, the body gets a chance to repair itself. In addition to this, vitamin C, a very large treasure of vitamin K, is hidden in this cauliflower. Vitamin C makes a glue in our body that keeps our joints together and makes them flexible. And the work of vitamin K is that it brings calcium to the right place, that is, inside the bones. These two together become a great protective team for your bones and joints. But there is a very special way to cook it, which you have to take care of. Never put it in water and boil it too much. Otherwise, all its strength and its green color will flow into the water. Just cook it in a little steam, and its green color should be fresh. After cooking, squeeze a little lemon on it, or sprinkle a little black pepper on it. Black pepper is such a great thing that increases the fire-extinguishing power of this green vegetable many times. Friends, now the most important question arises that when and how to eat such good vegetables? I will tell you such an easy way that even a 10-year-old child can easily understand. You do not need to bring any very difficult or expensive things every day. My request to you is that you eat your dinner from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. You must be thinking, why eat so early? There is a very clear reason for this. When you eat early, you get the full time to digest your food. When you lie on the bed at night, your body, instead of digesting food, puts all its attention on correcting your stools. You do not have to eat a very big plate of food. Eating a lot of food at night can spoil your sleep. Just half a cup of vegetables is enough for your body. You can cook all these 3 vegetables together with a little garlic and oil, or if you find it difficult to do so, you can eat them alternately. For example, cook tori for one night, make cauliflower for the next night, and make green cauliflower for the next night. Be sure to keep something soft with food, such as a boiled egg, a little fish, or a cup of yakni. These light proteins, along with the strength of the vegetable, provide complete benefit to your stools. Do not lie on the bed after eating food. After finishing your food, for just 5 to 10 minutes, do a light walk in the house or in your courtyard. This small walk speeds up your digestion and keeps your stools in proper movement. This does not make food a burden in the stomach. After this walk, you can sleep in peace, and after this, you do not have to do anything. Your body will do all the rest of the maintenance and repair work. All the bad habits of the vegetables will quietly go inside you all night and make you strong. Friends, I want you to believe that your body still has the ability to recover, and become strong. It is just waiting for your little help and good food. Make these simple vegetables a part of your life and your dinner from tonight. You do not need any kind of magic. Just a little restriction is needed. If you have learned something new from today's video and you found these things good and true, then be sure to like this video. Share this information with all your friends and family members so that they can also benefit. And do let me know in the comments, which of these vegetables are you cooking in your food tonight so that others can also get courage from it and start it too. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to talk about such beneficial things. Take good care of yourself and sleep soundly tonight because your vegetables are now ready to recover.